This is how to build a motorbike jump in your backyard, bush style.
This is the Bobcat. We're going to use this to make a motorbike jump.
We just went and got this from around the corner. It is very, very hot here in the Kimberley at the moment. It's projected to be like 42 degrees Celsius today. It's a little bit hard to get used to and makes filming quite difficult, but I guess you just got to kind of learn to live with it. We've also got air conditioner inside, so we sort of get a bit of respite when we need it.
And then we'll get into it. It's hard when you first jump in it because it's all hand controls. Control the buckets with your left hand, forward and backward and sideways with your right hand. Oh, he's trying to get me out. Oh! He was a bit angry when I grabbed him.
So behind me, Grandad's on the Bobcat. There actually is a small pile of shale that we previously rode a motorbike over, but I wanted Grandad to sort of sharpen the edges and make it a proper motorbike jump. So right now he's just cleaning it up, taking some of the roots out, and then we'll need to go to a shale pile to get more, bring it back here, load up the jump a bit more, and hopefully build a pretty sharp lip, and I should be right to jump it on a motorbike. Righty, I'm gonna have a drive of this Bobcat. I've had enough. Alrighty, Grandad's in the back shed. There he is working on the blaster.
Just getting the old blaster up and running again. It's a two-stroke, it's got an expansion chamber, it's a 200cc Yamaha blaster. Should be going as good as new once I get it going.
So this is Grandad's back shed, the metalwork shed in particular, where Grandad works on, motorbikes, or it used to be speedway cars, or whatever it is the project he's working on at the time. So many old trinkets, lots of things about. It's got a lot of character, this old shed. So we've been riding motorbikes all of our lives. We raced motocross as kids, me and my cousin Jamie and Luke. We've always had motorbikes running on the property. Just being able to jump on one and go for a ride is something so valuable, and one of the beauties of living in Outback Australia as well. I'll show you my wheelie skills. Yeah, this motorbike just isn't quite big enough for a jump, but it is good fun just to get around or go visit Uncle Greg or just go for a little ride around the property. We're going to take the Bobcat around the corner to a shale pit, get a couple of bucket loads of shale, bring it back to the motorbike jump, and fill it out, build that lip up a little bit more. We want to be able to get as much height as possible. I probably haven't done a motorbike jump in quite a long time, but yeah, it's nice to get the blaster out. It's a really beautiful motorbike. It's so good up here in the Kimberley. To be able to get up in the morning and decide to do something like this, it is very much the perks of living in regional Australia. The motorbike jump is nearly done. Grandad's gotten 3 loads of shale. Now, Grandad, I haven't done a motorbike jump in years and years and years. Do you reckon I've still got it in me?
I reckon you want to just start, be a little bit timid.
All right, let's see how we go with this. Rightio, it is time to do a motorbike jump. Was there a bit of airtime on that? That is absolutely so much fun. What an absolute success. That was so much fun. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see us build or make something else, just let us know in the comments. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.